So, good morning, Mom. Good morning, everyone. My report is about Slovin's formula. Introduction. In research and statistics, determining the right number of people to include in a study is essential for obtaining accurate and reliable results. So, ang pagkandak og research is nagkailangan gid na siya og kanang right number of people para imuhang surveyhan para makuha nimo ang accurate and reliable result nga imuhang gusto. When researchers cannot survey an entire population due to time, cost, or logistical limitations, they must select a representative sample. So, kanang sa researcher, di ba, naamong kanang ang uban is kanang kulangan na sa oras, kulangan na sa wala na short sa kwarta or sa ilahang logistical limitations, so kailangan na sila og representative para maoy ilahang surveyhan. Then choosing an appropriate sample size is a critical step, and Slovin's formula is one method commonly used to achieve this. This formula is especially useful when little is known about the population's characteristics and a simple quick calculations is needed. It provides a way to estimate the ideal sample size based on the total population and the desired margin error, making it a valuable tool for researchers. So, ang kaning desired margin error, mauni siya ang kanabitang parang let's sa entire population is na ay 100,000, and then ang kaning desired margin error is mauni kanang kung pipila lang ka tao ang imuhang kwan ba, kung pila lang ka tao ang imuhang surveyhan. Then body. Slovin's formula is mathematical equations used to determine the sample size needed to achieve a specific level of accuracy in a survey or study. The formula is written as n equals big letter N divide 1 plus n times margin of error sub 2. In this formula, small letter n is the sample size, big letter N is the total population size, and A represents the margin of error, expressed as decimal. The purpose of using Slovin's formula is to simplify the process of calculating how many people should be included in a sample, especially when the variability of the population is unknown. It assumes that the data will be gathered using random sampling, which means every individual in the population has an equal chance of being selected. So, di ba, dili naman kailangan nimo ikuan, dili naman nimo kailangan surveyhon ang whole population. So, naay possibility nga ang pagpili is random lang. Then naay chance of being selected ang uban po dili ma-select nga mo'y surveyhan sa ilang study. While Slovin's formula is convenient and widely used, it does not come with certain limitations. It assumes that the population is relatively uniform in terms of characteristics being measured and that sampling is truly random. Therefore, while Slovin's formula is useful for quick estimations or early stages of research, it may not be suitable for complex studies that require high precision. So, ang Slovin formula is dili siya gina-require sa mga high precision yung mga research. So, this is how Slovin's formula used or pag-solve. So, di ba, ang N is mo na ang desired size or desired margin. Desired size lagi. Then, ang N is total of population. Mo yung 100,000 example. E is ato ang margin of error 5%. So ang formula N equals big letter N divide 1 plus N times margin of error sub 2. So N equals 100,000 divide 1 plus 100,000 times margin of error which is 0.05 sub 2. So ang imuha yung unang usog ani kani gid si kuan 0.05 sub 2. So 0.05 sub 2 is equals 0.0025. So, ikuha nimo, i-copy na nimo si 100,000, in equals 100,000 divide 1 plus 100,000 times ang answer sa 0.05 times sub 2 is 0.0025. So, ikuha na po din nimo ang 100,000 times 0.0025 is equals 250. So, 100,000 divide 1 plus 250 is naana siya, 1 plus 250 is equals 251. So, 100,000 divide 251. So, ato ang desired size is 398.41. So, nakuha naman siya, pwede naman siya ma-round off. So, nagkailangan ka og 399 ka person lang or mo imuhang surveyhan. So, instead of 100,000 nga people nga imong surveyhan or sa population, so kanina lang ang 399. So sa 399 makuha sad nimo ang accurate nga result nga imong gusto. Then sa pagkuha sa margin of error, the formula A equals square root of n minus desired size divide total of population times desired size. So, A square root of 100,000 minus 400 is 900,600. So, ang 100,000 times 400 equals 400 million. So, A equals, kuhanin mo, 900,600 divide 400 million is, kukuhan siya og 0.00249. So, A equals 0.00249 square root is makuha nimo ang 0.0499 which is 4%. 0.99. So, pwede naman siya ma-round off 5%. So, mo na siya pagkuha sa imong margin of error, which is 5%. So, conclusion. Conclusion. Slovin formula is a simple and helpful way to find out how many people you need to include in a survey or study. So, mo to akong giingon ganina nga, ang Slovin formula is na kailangan siya or helpful siya in the way nga makakuha bitaw nimo, ma-determine bitaw nimo kung pila lang ka tao ang imong gina-survey instead nga ang whole population ng imong surveyhan. It is useful when you cannot ask everyone in a large group but still want results that are close to accurate. The formula is easy to use and only needs the total number of people and the amount of error you are willing to accept. So, mo to akong giingon ganin ha. However, it is not perfect. So, ang Slovin formula is dili gyud siya perfect. Tungod sa naapoy mga lapses. It works best for basic studies and may not be right for very detailed or serious research. So, dili gid siya applicable sa kuan, dili gid siya applicable sa mga serious research or sa mga research nga kailangan din siya og kuan ba nga results. So, that's all. Thank you, ma'am.